While visiting my cousin Ken Jones and his wife Patty, I learned how to make red chili sauce. On the way home from church, we stopped at a roadside pepper stand and purchased a large bag of dried peppers for $25. Here are the steps for making red chili sauce. First, remove the stems and seeds. Some seeds can remain. 2. Roast the chili pods on a cookie sheet for 2 to 3 minutes at 275 degrees. The room starts to fill with the chili aroma. 3. Cover the pods in water in a large pot and bring them to a boil. Reduce the heat and let them simmer for 2 to 3 hours while stirring occasionally. 4. Let them cool down. 5. Put the pods in a blender along with 2.5 cups of the liquid from the pot. Add the garlic, salt, and cumin. Blend until smooth. Cooling the chilies down before blending keeps them from exploding when the blender is turned on. 6. In a separate large saucepan, heat the oil and stir in the flour, making a paste. 7. Whisk the chilies from the blender into the saucepan. Sometimes it may be necessary to add a little more liquid from the pot to get the right consistency. 8. Pour the chili sauce into jars. This recipe makes 2 pints of red chili sauce. As you can see, we made 3 batches, filling 6 jars.